moment a little more. Oh boy, so you actually learned something today?
Tony died.
Excuse me? That's it! I'm done with these insane adventures! That was really traumatizing! I quit!
Dude, Trav, that sounds crazy.
Obviously, I'm the version of me that didn't do it, so you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. It's a real treat to be raised by parents that force themselves to be together instead of being happy.
Oh jeez, I can't get that truth tortoise out of my head. Yeah, I told you not to look into its eyes.
Some people just can't handle the truth, especially dummies like me. Morty, I'm not as smart as your grandpa Rick, but I promise never to make that your problem again.
Because you're not my own daughter.
Oh god, yes, I'm one of infinite best with infinite fathers and infinite universes. It's called a hug, Dad. It won't kill you.
You trying as hard as you can to hurt me right now proves my point. I'll let you know when you have a point, and the world will know when I try to hurt you. Big man, big genius, big lonely drunk.
Don't even know which of your daughters is real. Of course you don't.
It's funny. I always wondered who would win if we ever fought.
Then you were always a bad friend.
Sorry I lied to get out of the thing. That was sweet. Thank you. I love you. You're my little buddy.
Dark side, light this bitch up.